Hey guys, welcome back to the Auto Chapter. Today we're diving into something truly wild. The all-new 2026 Dodge Demon pickup truck. Yes, you heard that right. Dodge has done something absolutely crazy by merging the brutal power of the Demon with the rugged utility of a pickup truck. This beast isn't just a showpiece, it's a statement. The 2026 Demon pickup is redefining what a high-performance truck can be, combining raw muscle, bold styling, and next-level technology into one aggressive package. Let's take a deep look at everything this monster brings to the road. Starting with the exterior, the 2026 Dodge Demon pickup truck is an absolute attention grabber. It has that unmistakable Dodge muscle DNA, but reimagined for a truck body. The front fascia is dominated by a massive air intake, a bold blacked-out grille with the Demon logo in the center, and sleek LED headlights that slice through the darkness. The hood is sculpted with functional vents that feed cool air directly into the supercharged Hemi engine beneath. Every curve and contour has been designed for both aerodynamics and intimidation. The truck sits higher than a traditional muscle car, but lower than a regular pickup, giving it a squat, aggressive stance that screams performance. The wide fenders, 22-inch Demon forged alloy wheels, and chunky performance tires complete the sinister look. The rear end is equally muscular, featuring a large tailgate spoiler, quad exhaust tips, and full-width LED taillights that add a modern touch to the otherwise retro-inspired design. When you see it in person, you instantly know it's not your everyday truck. It's a showstopper on the streets, turning heads wherever it goes. The design perfectly balances muscle car aggression with pickup practicality, and it's clear Dodge didn't hold anything back. The paint options include some iconic Demon shades like Go Mango, Hellraisin Purple, and a new Inferno Red exclusive to this model. The stance, the roar, and the attitude, this truck has it all. Under the hood, things get even crazier. Dodge has fitted the Demon pickup truck with a supercharged 6.2-liter Hemi V8 engine, the same heart that powered the Challenger Demon, but with a few key upgrades for 2026. This power plant now pumps out an unbelievable 880 horsepower and 880 pound-feet of torque, making it one of the most powerful pickup trucks ever built. It rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.3 seconds, numbers that rival many supercars. The transmission is an 8-speed automatic tuned specifically for quick shifts and maximum performance, while the all-wheel drive system ensures that all that power actually reaches the ground efficiently. Dodge has reinforced the chassis and suspension to handle both performance driving and light off-road use. So this truck isn't just for drag strips. It can handle your weekend adventures too. The driving experience is nothing short of exhilarating. The moment you press the start button, the engine roars to life with that deep, unmistakable Demon growl. The throttle response is instant, and the supercharger whine makes every acceleration addictive. The steering is sharp, the braking is powerful, and the overall handling feels surprisingly balanced for a vehicle of this size. Dodge's new adaptive suspension system allows you to switch between comfort, sport, and track modes, changing everything from damping to throttle sensitivity. On the highway, it's smooth and composed, while on the track, it transforms into a full-blown beast ready to tear up the tarmac. Now let's step inside, because Dodge didn't just focus on power. The interior of the 2026 Demon pickup truck is just as impressive. As soon as you open the door, you're greeted by a mix of luxury and race-inspired elements. The seats are wrapped in premium Alcantara and leather with red stitching and the Demon logo embossed on the headrests. They're not only supportive during aggressive driving, but also extremely comfortable for long trips. The flat-bottom steering wheel, aluminum paddle shifters, and customizable digital gauge cluster give the cabin a true performance feel. The center console houses a massive 14-inch touchscreen running Dodge's latest Uconnect 6.0 system. It's fast, intuitive, and packed with features like wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, real-time performance data, launch control settings, and even a G-force meter. The sound system, developed in collaboration with Harman Kardon, delivers deep, crystal-clear audio, making every drive an experience. Dodge has also included ambient lighting that changes colors based on driving modes, adding to the futuristic vibe inside. Despite its performance focus, the truck offers plenty of space, especially in the rear seats, with ample legroom and smart storage options for everyday practicality. Safety hasn't been ignored either. The 2026 Demon pickup truck comes equipped with all the latest driver assist technologies, including adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system. It's the perfect blend of brute strength and modern intelligence, allowing you to enjoy high performance without compromising on security or comfort. As for pricing, the 2026 Dodge Demon pickup truck starts around $105,000 for the base model and can go up to $125,000 fully loaded. That might sound steep, but considering the performance, design, and exclusivity you're getting, it's a fair deal for enthusiasts who want the ultimate combination of muscle car speed and pickup truck practicality. Dodge plans to produce this model in limited numbers, making it a collector's dream from day one. So, to sum it up, the 2026 Dodge Demon pickup truck is more than just a vehicle. It's a revolution on wheels. It's proof that Dodge still knows how to surprise the world and deliver pure, unfiltered adrenaline. Whether you want to dominate the drag strip, turn heads in the city, or simply own something truly unique, this truck has you covered. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more awesome car content, and share your thoughts about the new Dodge Demon pickup truck in the comments below. See you in the next video.